Hi there. I wasn't going to show you the insides to the dial, but when I assembled the phone, put the cover on it, I noticed the dial was very, very rough. It needed a little bit of oil. So I thought, well, okay, I'll give it an oil up, and while I've got the little cover off, which is hiding behind my lamp, and the bracket that holds it in, I will have a little look at the dial. As I said, the dial, although it pulses out, it always gives an extra pulse which is prevented from being sent out. So if you dial 1, 2 pulses are generated, but only 1 is sent. And what controls it is this little spring here. Unfortunately, I haven't got a hand free to pick it up, but you can see a little spring there, and that stops on the right spot. You've got your 2 sets of contacts. It's very difficult to try and show you what's happening, so I'll point it out. It's a very nice dial. I prefer it to the English dials. This is typical of European phones. You've got a section which spins around with like notches out of it, and it goes between the spring set that you see here, which is your pulsing springs, and as the the piece of fibre goes through, it breaks it and remakes it on return. Well, as I say, this will give an extra pulse, but it is prevented from being sent out. Can't go into too much detail because, as I say, I'm having difficulty holding the phone, and with one hand it is a bit tricky. At the top here, you've got the governor. It's a little, I think it's is it gurney regulator, something like that. That spins around. That controls the speed of the dial. The dial should give out 10 pulses per second, and that is the actual part that regulates it. Also at the top there you can see a number 10. I think that's 64. I've just realised that could be the actual date. At this side, I say it's a German dial. You've got some letters there. Whether that is the initials of a German firm, I don't know. I don't recognise it. But anyway, I thought, as I had to oil up the mechanism, you only put very, very fine oil on. I use clock oil. Marvellous stuff. JD Windlesham, it's a very, very good oil. Mind you, when I worked for BT, they had tons of this stuff, but this bottle I bought, legally bought it. I didn't acquire it, I bought it at a clock exhibition near Birmingham, and that does for various clocks or anything else that I need very light oil on. The contacts are twinned again, which is normal. The dial contacts or the pulse springs are not. They're a single contact. But your dial off normals, which are these ones, are twinned. And you've got, I think it's 3 sets of contacts. I think one set makes when the dial's turned, and the others break, and vice versa. And obviously your cable, which is soldered in, which is once again different to the British dial. The British dial, all your wires are actually on little screws, screw terminals. So as I say, I thought if I had to take it out, I may as well take it out and have a little look at it. So once again, thanks for watching, and hopefully this will be okay. It looks okay, and it turns more evenly now, so I can't demonstrate it. I need another pair of hands, which unfortunately I wasn't given. So once again, thanks again. Please subscribe, please comment, please like, all the other things you do on YouTube. Thanks again. Thank you.